Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today, let us make two delicious dishes, bean sprouts salad and stir-fried egg with bell pepper. We need 300 gram bean sprouts. Let's rinse it with water first. Turn up the heat, boil a pot of water. Add a bit of cooking oil and salt in water. Put the bean sprouts in boiling water, blanching for 2 seconds. Put it into cold water to keep it crunching. Let us chop 4 pieces garlic to mince into a bowl. Then let seasoning add 1 gram of sugar. Add 3 grams of light soy sauce. Add 2 grams of white vinegar. Add 2 grams of oyster sauce. Mix it together. Mix the sauce with the drained bean sprouts together. Add some olive oil. Stir it well. Decorating a little of coriander. Wow, it looks fantastic! Now, let us start making another delicious food, stir-fried eggs with bell pepper. We need 2 bell peppers, 4 eggs, and 4 pieces garlic. Chop garlic into a bowl. Chop the bell peppers into the bowls. Turn up the heat, add some cooking oil. Turn down the heat to low, add 1 egg inside. Fry the egg slowly until it solidifies. Then fry another side until it becomes golden brown. Take it out in a bowl. We fry another 3 eggs in the same way. We heat up the pan again. Add some cooking oil. Add garlic inside. Turn down the heat to medium. Stir-fry it a few seconds. Add bell pepper inside. Stir-fry it with medium heat. Then add 5 grams light soy sauce. The last step, add in fried eggs and stir-fry it a few times. Now it is ready to be set on the plate. A delicious stir-fried egg with bell pepper completed. Let's try the bean sprout salad first. It's a bit sour and sweet, crisp and refreshing. The nice smell of eggs mixed with the taste of bell pepper is the best to match with rice. We often cook 2 dishes for 2 people in one meal. I will share how to make wonton soup and deep fry wonton with you next time. Thank you for watching. See you soon.